Baby said, Mommy, I'm craving catfish. I was like, is that all? Well, let's go to the market. Oh, yeah. You can't go anymore. The lighter one is 16, while the darker one is 15. That's her last price. I said, okay, let me have the lighter one. So, besties, we are back from the market. We got St. Leaf, we got Uda, Uzuza, and Oyayak. We also got fresh pepper, we got crayfish, we got onion that we'll be using to dissect our catfish pepper soup that our baby is craving for. So, watch out for our cooking vlogs. Thanks. What's the name of this time?
Clap together and this.
Stella is weaving.
It's weaving, but it has a style. Now you ate biscuits.
It's called clap together.
Let me
And
see.
we ate biscuit, 2 biscuits.
Clap.
Her hand is always very neat. And she's very fast. Was she busy when you went?
Yeah, she's placing on with that.
She's very fast. That's why she's my she's always her fastness, Her fastness now Togodo separate. Let me see your own. Come bring, let me see your own. Bend down now. First. Top front, so to see your face. Let's see the fitting. Happy Sunday, everyone. Greetings according to the time you are seeing this video. Today is Sunday, and usually every Sunday my husband prepared these for breakfast for everyone. He has made it his point of duty. So we are having pap with milk, and we'll be dissecting it with beans cake, that's akara, and bread. And of course the guests already surrounded. They don't gather ready to dissect the whole thing, and me, I just did one corner. The video, they say, okay, get me my spoon because it's about to go down. Honestly, it's so exciting, especially when the family come together like this. We don't eat separately most times. We eat together because family that eats together stays together. It's very, very important. And of course, if you care, just come over with your spoon because we have it plenty. Thank you for stopping by. We love you. Ciao, ciao. Watch out for our next upload.